Hello, my classics. Today I'm going to try a couple of things actually. I did the rest of my makeup already. I did a whole face of what I think looks pretty cute. No, whatever. And I've got this Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder that I got for like $5. I'll link it down below. And so will I also link this, which is a whole new set of brushes that I paid like $11 for on Amazon. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. All I've done so far is unwrap them from the little plasticky things and then, like, you know, mildly fondled them because they're so soft. I bought them particularly for this one because I didn't have a highlighter brush. So I literally have been waiting to do this video with this highlighter until these arrived. I got 2-day shipping and they arrived on time. So we're going to actually take this brush. I'm going to test how soft it is on my face because I haven't actually touched any of them to my face yet. I am weaponized again. And we're going to try to open this, which we all know Wet n Wild packaging is a pain. I can't link the lipstick. I got it like on Wish. It's this In the Now Generation 2 long lasting lip gloss. It's like in a kind of a burnt orange color. I don't have much that it works with, but today's look seems like it would work. So here we have, the pan is so pretty. I really like the inlaid flower, it's raised. So I'm a sucker though for these for intricacies like that in makeup. I'm just going to take a little bit on my own Hello Shimmer. I hope that swatches just as lovely on my face. So I'm just going to take this lovely little brush here and I'm going to dust it into that, like I've seen all the gurus do, right into that. And we're just going to brush that onto the cheek. Oh, that is such a soft feeling. That is a cute little glow too. It's not like over the top, but it's definitely not what I would call understated. Like I've seen some of them. Oh, hello. Oh, I forgot to mention the color. This is in Blossom Glow. And it was the prettiest color in my opinion. Like I said, I paid like $4.90 something, so like $5. Wet n Wild. Are you getting this? It's not a wet shine. It's definitely a glittery shine. Oh my gosh. Can I bathe in this? That's the nicest highlighter I found yet. And that includes some very expensive ones that I played with in Ulta, where they literally have a sign that says, "Go ahead, play with me." Oh my gosh. I like it. I like that a lot. These brushes are so soft. I'm loving that. Like, sometimes with a brush, you go to put it like at your eye. Like some of the, I hate to say something bad, some of the e.l.f. brushes for the eye makeup, I've gone to put it to my eye and I've proceeded just to feel scratched up. But that's not necessarily them themselves. That could just be me. I've got sensitive skin, so. But not like sensitive to chemicals so much as more like sensitive to textures. So I'd have to give the brushes an absolute like 15 out of 10. And I'd have to give this a, holy crap, is that the bat signal beaming off my face? Sorry, I just really like Batman. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. If I get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day, I'm going to do one of 3 things and you get to pick the thing. Don't forget also to hit that bell, because if you don't know when I'm posting, but I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon Central Time. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop.